Elon Musk overtakes Amazon's Jeff Bezos to become the world's richest man. I mean, these guys go back and forth all the time, depending on which stock is up. Musk, who first made his fortune with PayPal, is now worth $219 billion, according to the latest billionaires list from Forbes. Well, he put the $3 billion into Twitter as well, so now he's got some upside over there if things go well for Twitter. If Twitter keeps saving people's lives by adding critical features, not just for Twitter Blue users, such as the edit button, which as of today is now happening. It's the first time the South Africa-born entrepreneur has topped the list. Oh, okay. Well, Forbes list. I know at different moments people had reported that he like momentarily became the richest. I don't know when Forbes locks their list.
Yeah.
But Kanye was pissed about it.
Kanye's mad at everyone.
Kanye was like...
Was it Rihanna, Jay-Z?
Kanye's like, put some respect on my name.
Yeah.
It was like the...
It made me come and slap you, Forbes.
It was like the... What is that? What is that show? The Breakfast Club. You remember?
Oh, yeah.
You remember that like famous clip? Kanye's feeling that same way when it comes to Forbes. He's like, hey, you got to reflect my real billions over here. Also on the list, who do we have? What about Rihanna, who has joined the ranks of the mega wealthy, becoming Barbados' first billionaire. She is one of just 327 women who made Forbes' annual rankings, featuring a total of 2,668 billionaires, down 87 on 2021. Oh, so the total list went down a little bit.
Wow.
Lord of the Rings director Peter Jackson is another newcomer to the list. Billionaire list. What do you think, Will? Did you expect Peter Jackson to have $1 billion?
No. I was really surprised. As a billionaire.
Yeah, I guess that Lord of the Rings stuff, I feel like you make a few bucks on that.
Yeah, I guess so.
You probably get the Hobbits, you probably get the
video games and
the Gandalfs, and
I think there's a Lord of the Rings TV show that's coming up.
You get the Elden Ring.
Now you're just naming Middle Earth stuff.
Come on,
Game of Thrones.
Give him a little piece of all this.
Sure, yeah.
Of all these mystical lands and things like this. You're still not doing the Elden Ring? Because the people are loving the Elden Ring.
Yeah, I have to play that.
Oh, I thought you were staying away. You said you were going to get too addicted. What about when you were waiting for your fridge today? You could have been doing the Elden Ring.
No, I wouldn't be here then. I'd still be playing.
I never see you again.
Yeah.
The top 20 billionaires are worth $2 trillion combined. There's a list for you. Bill Gates is on there. Bernard Arnault from, what's he from? Louis Vuitton and all those, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Warren Buffett, Larry Page, Sergey Brin, Larry Ellison, Steve Ballmer. We've seen these names before. And, of course, we got Ambani on there. Is that misspelled? Mabney? They misspelled it.
Ambani.
Come on, the U.S. Sun. Anyway, yeah, there you go. Rich people stuff. Rich people stuff. More yachts.